A natural way to get rid of ants in house permanently. Having ants in the house, especially the kitchen area, is not a good sign. Ants don't enter homes for random reasons. They likely found food or water in the house. Now I tell you how to get rid of ants in the house naturally. For this purpose, use baking soda. Baking soda is a great choice for this purpose because it can kill ants, only harmful to pets if consumed in large quantities. How to use baking soda? Mix equal parts powdered sugar and baking soda in a cup. Remember that you must use powdered sugar because ants will be able to separate regular sugar from baking soda. Mix it well. Sprinkle the mix around the areas where you have ants. For example, if ants are using a crack in the wall to access your kitchen, put some baking soda mix at the mouth of the opening. You should also seal the entrance once you have dealt with the infestation. Scatter the mix outside on mounds and other areas where ants may build their nests, such as stepping stones, firewood piles, and around the base of trees. This technique works fully. Use this immediately if you want to get rid of ants.